Heap sort. What is heap sort? Heap sort is a comparison with sorting algorithm that uses a binary heap, usually a max heap, to sort element. Max heap means largest element is always at the top. I mean at index 0. Heap sort work by repeatedly taking the largest element root, swapping it to the end, and then heapifying the rest. Okay, so it's in place algorithm, no extra array needed, and time complexity of it O and log n. So here step of heap sort, build a max heap from this array. Okay, the largest element root is at the index 0, so have the root with the last element. Okay, and after that reduce the heap size by 1, then heapify again and repeat the until heap size is 1. So here you can see we are going to create function heapify. Here array argument is array n and I. Okay, this is for array, and this is for number, and this is for starting. I mean it for index, like largest index. Okay, so largest equals to I. Assume root is the largest, and for left 2 into I plus 1, and for right 2 into I plus 2. Left child, right child. Okay, so if left child exists and is greater than, if left child is less than n numbers, n means numbers, and array of left is greater than array of largest, then largest equals to left. If right child exit and is greater, if largest, if right is less than n, and an array of right is greater than array of largest, then largest equals to right. If largest is not root, swap and continue heapifying. If largest not equals to I, then array of I, swap with array of largest, and array of largest swap with array of I. Now heapifying array, comma n and largest. Heap sort array n equals to length of array. So build a maximum heap for I in range n divided by 2 minus 1, comma minus 1, comma minus 1. So heapify array, comma n, comma I. So exchange the element one by one for I in range n minus 1, 0, minus 1. So array of 0 swap by array of I, and array of I swap by array of 0. So heapify array of I, sorry, array, comma I, comma 0. And this is for example array equals to this one. And now this is the heap sort function. Here I am going to pass to array and print array. Okay, sorted arrays 5, 6, 7, 12, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so this one. Also, array, if you take some array like this, array equals to this. This is the example, but build the maximum heap. Here you can swap 12 with 13. Okay, so here max heap, and swap 30 and last element. Again we are going to swap 13 and 13 with last element with the 7. Okay, so 7 in place of 13 and 13 in place of the 7. Now heapify again. Okay, and swap 12 and last unsorted. Okay, here you can see continue until the fully sorted. So here we got 5, 6, 7, 11, 11, 12, 13. Final sorted array this one.